Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to randomize your league's schedule in ESPN Fantasy Football 4. Let's get started. First, open the ESPN app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on My Team. After that, look at the top right corner and tap on League. Now scroll down until you see Schedule or Schedule Settings depending on your league setup. Tap on it to open your schedule option. Inside the schedule settings, look for a button that says Randomize Schedule, Generate New Schedule or something similar. When you find it, tap Randomize. The app will instantly create a brand new schedule with random matchups for all week. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you are sure. Tap Yes or Confirm to log in the randomized schedule. After it updates, scroll through your league schedule to make sure everything looks good. Your matchup should now be completely shuffled. And that's it. That's how you randomize the schedule in your ESPN football league right from your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.